Hopefully this clip will actually make you think whether it's worth overtaking that cyclist. Is the van?
The van and the bike, isn't it? So
good. Keep up to him though, Kings, because you're actually too far away to make a decision to overtake.
Okay.
Because things can change that quickly. Do you understand?
Yeah, okay.
What speed are we doing and what speed's he doing? It's only a 30 limit as well, you know, Kings. He's coming downhill now as well.
Yeah.
So what does that potentially say to you?
Speed up.
No, Kings, hold back.
Okay.
Hold back. What was it talking about? Didn't need the gear. What was it talking about?
Yeah.
What speed was he doing?
It was like 25.
He was doing 24, 25. He slowed a little bit. He's probably having a little bit of a breather. So is there room to go around him after the bollards? Yes.
Yeah,
check.
Still
Move away and have a look. Move out and have a look. Who's coming?
No.
Go then. Good. Settle.
Okay.
Settle. It's too much. Cool. Do you get what I was talking about now? That you're a little impatient to go round him. What I was getting at, when he was doing 24, 25, it was a 30 limit. Did you really have enough to get past him? Not really. You would have taken too long to be going past. Those sort of speeds, 24, 25,
fine.
Hold back.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was the overtake as well. I was hesitant at first because it was on as it was going around the bend.
Correct.
But it was a wider road, wasn't it?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
But did you notice as soon as you got away, what happens to your view?
You can see a lot more.
You can see further. So don't be scared to go out to have a good look.
Okay.
Yeah? Alright, but try not to get wrapped up with the cyclist. It's what you're doing and the space that you've got.
Okay.
Yeah? Remember, if he's doing 24, 25?
No point. Yeah.
No point. No point.